your favorite channel. One Mega TV. One Mega they clean, but it still be flex. Body they roll, vibe they connect, so bubbles fly. Now party for sing. Every motion they sweet like drink. Positive energy anywhere she dey. One Mega they vibe even when she alone. No stress, no wahala for face. One Mega they glow, steady grace on grace. Now real life, no be acting scene. She dey serve, looks clean and serene. From the kitchen to the bedroom lights, every step she take it, they shine so bright. Fans they talk so we won't be like her. Soft spoken, sweet like sugar. One Mega queen of the home, no cap. Now real woman vibes, don't stop. One Mega they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life, steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One Mega the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. One Mega dey for kitchen, the aroma dey chop. Any dish she want, she dey cook and best. It goes sense a lie, the soup you want, she sabi cook them all, and you dey see I'm live. Now real Naija queen, she dey run the top, but she still get business where they come up fly. Others they drop, money they align. She's a big clown, she dey balance and kind. Family they smile, everything they alright. No shouting, no stress for her zone. One Mega the each other babe, say flip penny, pick your own sweet. Now you hustle trend. One Mega the wife, she be mama, she be boss. Say they cook soup, where they make my love. One Mega na light, she dey shine from sure. Now it's like the way you go for your phone more. One Mega they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life, steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One Mega the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. God don't bless, so no pay you well, neck high, no be small. Every hustle she touch, she dey stand tall. Grace to follow her steps every day. From sunrise to sunset, she dey pave way. Her business the boom, favor the spread. Anywhere she enter, blessing her head. No be luck, na consistency. One Mega they pray, she dey work, she dey keep am clean. Family they smile of the overflow. Children they happy, light they glow. And we and Mega they balance am like a rope. With no shaking, no fear, she be the best of all. From the market to her headphone, gotta lift her higher every time she deserve all the good way life go bring. Nigga move you and Mega they rain now, winning ring. One Mega they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life, steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. One Mega the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. One Mega TV. One Mega TV. Hey darling, welcome to your favorite channel. One Mega TV. One Mega they clean, but it still be flex. Body they roll, vibe they connect, so bubbles fly. Now party for sing. Every motion they sweet like drink. Positive energy anywhere she dey. One Mega they vibe even when she alone. No stress, no wahala for face. One Mega they glow, steady grace on grace. Now real life, no be acting scene. She dey serve, looks clean and serene. From the kitchen to the bedroom lights, every step she take it, they shine so bright. Fans they talk so we won't be like her. Soft spoken, sweet like sugar. One Mega queen of the home, no cap. Now real woman vibes, don't stop.